Hi everyone, Nishka here from EurekaCrystalBeads.com with another fun unboxing for you today. We're absolutely thrilled to present another Bronze Pony collaboration. So I'll be showing you exactly what is going into that collection. But before I get started, go ahead and check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you always know when we're posting new content. We also are offering a bunch of special rewards and special tutorials for people who are subscribed to our newsletters. So make sure that you have clicked and subscribed to the newsletter that will be linked below. Anyway, let's get started checking out the new collection with a collab from Bronze Pony. All right, let's take a look at what we have in here. So for those of you who are not familiar with Stephanie from Bronze Pony, make sure you are checking out her channel because she is going to have a whole bunch of companion projects going along with this tutorial. And we will too, but hers are going to be really elaborate and gorgeous. So what do we have here? All right, look at this beautiful sparkling underground pool. Just want to dive into that water. It looks so refreshing. And we have our beads here. So let's open this guy up. I love these cool colors. And we have our paragraph that sets the mood. OMG, look at all of this stuff. All right, I'm going to get organized and we're going to go through everything one at a time so you can take a look at everything up close. And before we go through the big pile of beads, let's just take a look at our list here. And we have our Underground Cavern collection. And here is the full list of all of the products included, as well as the SKU number. So you can just type this right into the search bar at EurekaCrystalBeads.com and the exact item will pop up. We also have all of these items listed under the Underground Cavern collection page. So you can take a look at all of them and order more if you need replacements. If you really love something, you'll know exactly what it is. All right, so starting as usual with seed beads, our first 5 items on the list. We have a selection of seed beads, mostly Miyuki, but we have one Toho in here. And we have these beautiful colors that are evoking a lot of this cavern colors, these browns and these neutrals here, as well as, of course, this very beautiful teal color with a rainbow finish here. So we have a Toho 11-0 round. So our Toho beads, as you know, they are sold by the tube. So you'll find our 2.5-inch tubes are completely full, as they should be. And our Miyukis, they are sold by weight. And so sometimes the tubes may not be completely full, even sometimes very not full. And that's completely normal for these beads. So we have also an 11-0 with this beautiful metallic color from Miyuki, also a round. We also have a 15-0, which is this one over here in a bag, and also beautiful metallic. We have 2 colors of Delicas, and these are 11-0s. And again, you have this nice neutral with this really pretty teal color. All right, next up we have our check glass. And here we have two beautiful strands of fire polish. So this is a really, really nice combo. Again, we're pulling from the deep blues here, and then some of these almost yellowy stone colors here. So one of these is 2 millimeters. This one, a beautiful saturated blue, almost metallic strand of a blue 2 millimeter fire polish beads. And you're getting 50 beads on this strand. And we also have a 3 millimeter. So this one's a little bit bigger. You're also getting 50 beads on a strand. And again, we have this like really beautiful metallic, yellowy gold color here. But that's not it for the check glass. We also have a pair of mini gem duos. So these are so pretty, and these tubes are so covered in stickers you can't even see. Let me show you what is inside. So mini gem duos are a little bit smaller than your regular gem duos. They are 6 by 4 millimeters, and they're part of the 2-hole check glass revolution of uniquely shaped beads. And isn't that so pretty? Look, this beautiful silver color. That's for one of them. Just going to toss it right into the pool here, and then we can take a look at the other color. And let's see if I can get this open. Pro tip, if you ever have trouble opening these tubes, just use your flat nose pliers and gently wiggle that tube top out. No fuss, no muss. And take a look at this yummy color. Oh my god. It's so deep. It's so deep it has like a green depth with a blue surface finish on it, and it's so saturated, so gorgeous. Oh my god, it's stunning. I absolutely love this mini gem duo color. Wow. Almost peacockish in its coloration here. Next up, from our Krakowski crystal category, we have this gorgeous silvery pearl. And this is a big one. This is 8 millimeter pearl, and you are getting 50 on the strand. And just, I love the way they sound. They're so clicky. Beautiful, beautiful pearls. And wow, it's gorgeous. But that's not all from the Krakowski selection. You're also getting 2 colors of the same faceted oval beads. So these are part of our newer selection of Krakowski crystal. We started with the stones, of course, because we were desperately in need of some high quality stones. And we've expanded into beads. So we started with bicones, and now we're working our way into these beautiful oval shapes. And if there's other crystal bead shapes that you're looking for, that you need something affordable that is also really high quality, let us know in the comments, because we are constantly adding new colors, shapes, sizes to our Krakowski crystal line. So we got green, we got blue. So this is gonna work really nicely together with all the other colors here. All right, but that's not it for crystals. We have, next up is our Elite Eureka crystal stones that we have added to this collection. And aren't these just absolutely gorgeous? I think Stephanie picked out a beautiful palette. These stones are made in Austria. They're precision cut crystal. This is the highest quality that we offer. And if you're looking for something that is going to have color consistency from batch to batch, and unmatched sparkle, and just amazing facets and cuts, as well as perfect edges, and just completely flawless, this is going to be the brand that you are going to want to return to over and over. We have a huge selection of the Elite Eureka crystal that you can check out on our website and add to your collection and just make absolutely beautiful jewelry with. And crystal fans, don't go away because we have more that you'll love. Another gorgeous European brand. These are Preciosa crystals. And these are 4mm bicones, and this is a package of 72 and a gorgeous mix designed specifically to go with this collection. Isn't that gorgeous? We have some blue zircon in here, it looks like. And we have, I believe it's Capri Blue AB, or some kind of similar color. Beautiful silver and a turquoise. Stunning. Look at them sparkle. All right, our next category is the Chinese crystal rondelles. And we have 3 strands of these. And I just love, these have like more of a pastel feel. And look how sparkly they are. Absolutely gorgeous. Very pretty. You're getting a lot of beads on these strands. And you're going to have so much fun working with these. These Chinese rondelles are workhorse beads. You can get so many for a great price, and we have a great selection of colors. The major downside is that they are not always consistent from batch to batch. So sometimes you will find minor differences, but if the difference is really major, we just make it a different item, give it a different name, so you don't end up getting the wrong thing that you didn't want. And that's just a issue with these beads in particular. But they're super affordable, and if you buy them all in one, you're more likely to get all the same color. So get more if you aren't sure how many you're going to need. And last but not least, we have some beautiful findings in both gold and silver. We have 2 clasp findings, a nice bar and toggle, and this other more unique and interesting bar and toggle shape, and 2 earring findings. And that is it for our unboxing. So here's your full Underground Cavern collection. And again, super grateful for Stephanie from Bronze Pony for putting this together for us. She's picked all of these colors because she has some very specific projects in mind. So you stay tuned and make sure you're following her to find out what those projects are going to be. We'll also have some tutorials on our channel showing you how you can use some of these beads in future projects as well. And again, make sure you are signed up for our newsletter. It's going to be linked right down below so that you are not going to miss any of our super secret subscriber only content that will be available for subscribers, and it will go directly to your email inbox. So thanks for hanging out with me today, and happy beading. Bye.